What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we lost power, and I thought this would be the perfect time to talk about letting go of control if you have anxiety as a solution to speeding up your anxiety recovery, which was something I had to freaking do. We lost power earlier this evening. A lot of bad storms. I live in East Texas, so we get these things a few times a week, honestly, throughout the spring. I got my little lantern here. You might see some lightning, hear some thunder throughout this video. My family's inside sleeping. Luckily, it happened right before bedtime, so they're not having to suffer too much, and we had the air on for a while, so it won't get too hot. But adversities don't stop, right? Adversities don't stop after you get past anxiety. I think people think that once they recover from anxiety, or once they're doing a lot better with their anxiety, that these things will just not really happen as much. They're gonna still happen. You just learn how to handle them. You learn how to roll with the punches. And the theme of this video is letting go of control. Guys, if you have health anxiety, let go of control. If you have panic disorder, let go of control. If you fear driving, let go of control. Anything that you fear, let go of control. I think the biggest problem that we have, guys, whenever we struggle with anxiety, we resist it. We resist it. Not now, please. No, not now. This is the worst time ever, right? And of course, if something like this were to happen to me whenever I was going through the worst of my anxiety and I hadn't learned the concept of let go of control and to roll with the punches, something like tonight would have really messed with me. I mean, it was my daughter's 7th birthday. We're having to deal with this. Just losing power and not having that, and worrying about the food in my fridge and things like that. You'd think I'd get a generator by now. I need to invest in that as often as it seems to happen since we've moved here. So I'll work on that. But I have learned how to let go of control, right? What control do I have? I got this lantern. I bought that. Right, I got candles burning in the house, got flashlights, I got everything that I need. That's as much as I can control, right? That's as much as I can control. I can't control when they're going to turn the power back on. They told me 12:30 a.m. That's the text message I got. There's more bad weather headed here. We're not going to have power all the way until tomorrow evening. I already know that. I know that because I'm a weather nerd. So I'm going to let go of control, and I'm not going to fight it. I'm not going to sit here and hope and plead and pray, please, come on, get the power on, get the power on. Oh my God, man, our food, the internet's not working. Oh my God, I have 4 children, so it's a different ball game. But I've learned how to let things just flow through me. You saw some lightning back there. I've learned how to let things flow through me. So whenever adversity hits, and this isn't the only adversity I've been through since my anxiety disorder, I've had a fire almost overtake my home. I actually recorded that on this channel. You can just type in Trey Jones fire almost burns his house, or I don't know what I titled it. But I've been through a lot. I've lost people in my life since I've dealt with anxiety. There are always going to be adversities. We're going to get sick. Somebody else is going to get sick. We're going to lose people. We're going to go through breakups, relationship changes, financial changes, lifestyle changes. And we have to learn to let things flow and to let things flow through us. Let energy come in and let energy go out, and just do the things that we have learned through our anxiety journey to help us during that process. This is why it's important to have a routine in place. And I talk about on this channel, it's not just about trying to get through the symptoms that you're dealing with right now. Guys, it is about changing your entire life to help prevent stress from escalating to get you back into anxiety disorder. So that's why you need the morning routine. That's why exercise, taking care of your health, eating better, practicing mindfulness, right, is important in your life. And you need to have that throughout your life, not just whenever you're trying to beat anxiety disorder, so you don't have this thing come back on you when something like this happens, right? Whenever the power goes out, or if you lose somebody in your life, or if you go through a job change or something like that, because those things will continue to happen. You just develop the skills, if you truly recover from anxiety, to handle those situations better. So that's why you need to have the structure and the lifestyle changes and the routine in place, and to keep that for the rest of your life. Anxiety can be a blessing in disguise for a lot of you guys. It was for me, to have that system in place to protect me in the future once I got past the original issues that I was dealing with that led to my original anxiety issues. So hopefully this video brought you value. Let things breathe. Let things flow. When you have symptoms, stop resisting them. Let them flow through you. I love you guys. I know it's late. I'm posting a random video. I don't know why this person that we rent from had these random mirrors back there, but they're back there. And I'm just going to hang out, and I'm going to eat my cold pizza here in a little bit. I guess that's a good thing, right? It's pizza. It's good if it's cold or warm or hot or whatever. But guys, I love you all. If you want more help with your anxiety disorder, if you're interested in that lifestyle that I was talking about, that lifestyle change, that routine, that structure, the mindset, the perception change that you need, check out my course, Elite Anxiety Bootcamp. I'm going to put that down below in the description and in the first pinned comment. I love you guys, and until next time, keep fighting. Let's get this power back on tomorrow morning, hopefully.